County Today is presented by Cano Real Estate. Hire an agent, get a team. Learn more by visiting canorealestate.com.
Hey everyone, I'm Chris Brown, and this is Clark County Today. Our quick look at the top stories we're following on clarkcountytoday.com. Before we get to the news headlines, though, a quick announcement. For the past 14 months, we've been working hard on a 3-part documentary following the ongoing saga surrounding the Yackholt Mountain Quarry. Reporter and filmmaker Jacob Granneman directed the film and continues to follow the story of the mine and the contentious relationships between neighbors, quarry operators, and the county. Check out the trailer today at clarkcountytoday.com and be sure to watch for the full series, Rocky Mountain, coming next week. We're all very excited to finally be able to share this with you. Our top story remains the outbreak of novel coronavirus. Clark County Public Health said Tuesday one more test has returned negative for COVID-19. 17 other tests currently are awaiting results. Multnomah County today also announcing their first confirmed case of infection in a patient being treated at the Portland VA. Now, Washington Governor Jay Inslee today announcing that 10 long-term care facilities in the Seattle area have confirmed cases as well. The death toll also rose to 24, 19 of those from a care facility in Kirkland, with 250 confirmed cases statewide. Visitation limits now are being enacted at care centers across the state, Inslee said, and employers will be screened at the beginning and end of each shift. For now, the state still is not requesting that large gatherings be banned, but Inslee said they are considering it. The Port of Vancouver, meanwhile, announced that 2 March events have been canceled or postponed due to the outbreak. A barrier is coming to the median of State Route 503 from 154th Avenue to Main Street in Battleground this spring. State transportation officials said the project was planned already, but comes in the wake of a head-on crash that claimed the lives of 3 people, including a 31-year-old Battleground mother and her 5-year-old daughter last Friday. 2 other children in the family remain in critical condition at a Portland hospital. 41-year-old Christy Byers, also of Battleground, crossed into the southbound lane leading to that collision. Byers also died in the crash. Investigators still have not said what they believe why they believe Byers crossed the median. That stretch of SR 503 has seen an 8% increase in daily traffic since 2015 and is among the 20 most dangerous stretches of highway in the state, according to WashDOT. Well, it's been over a year since Portland-based nonprofit Friends of Frog Ferry introduced their idea to found a passenger ferry service from Vancouver to Portland via the Columbia and Willamette Rivers. Today, founder Susan Bladholm and her fellow board and team members presented an update of their efforts at Portland Business Alliance. Of the 4 studies the group set out to do, 2 have been completed. Those covered best practices in demand modeling. More research will come later this year on potential partnerships and financial details. If Friends of Frog Ferry secures enough support from cities and communities, they expect to have the ferry service launched by 2023. Well, kids at York Elementary in the Evergreen School District had a special visitor on Monday. Seattle Seahawks cornerback Trey Flowers, along with Seahawks dancer Kylie, were surprise guests at an assembly celebrating the school becoming the first in the state to get a machine that dispenses milk.
I wish I could do it to every school. I know it's a lot of schools out there, so anybody that needs it, I know I can help them, and I will help them as much as I can.
York Principal Don Harris says the milk machine has been a popular option and saves about 3 gallons of milk each day since children can take only what they want. Previously, students received a carton of milk, which often went to waste. Funding for the machine came from the State Department of Ecology's local solid waste financial assistance program. There's your check of the stories we're following at clarkcountytoday.com. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to see when stories are posted. Be part of the conversation, and if you like what we're doing, consider sharing us with your friends. We always appreciate good word of mouth. For all of us at Clark County Today, I'm Chris Brown. Thanks for watching.